Hey guys, are you want to buy best cable testers for network setup? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best cable testers for network setup that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Klein Tools Cable Testers, the Easy Wire Tracing Kit is a reliable and convenient tool for technicians and DIY enthusiasts alike. Featuring a simple analog tone generator and a responsive wire tracing probe, it makes tracing open-ended, non-active wires hassle-free and accurate. The probe's durable, non-metallic conductive tip ensures reliable readings, while the built-in work light allows tracing even in dark or low-light environments. Included alligator clips make connecting to unterminated wires effortless, and the RJ45 to RJ45 test cable provides seamless connectivity for network testing and wire mapping. Together, the toner and probe perform comprehensive pin-to-pin wire mapping, ensuring thorough identification of each wire. Additional features like adjustable volume control allow you to optimize audio output based on your environment, making tracing easier in noisy or quiet settings. Compact, efficient, and practical, this wire tracing kit is an essential addition to any electrician or networking professional's toolkit, combining precision, convenience, and versatility in one package. Now our second product is Noyafa Cable Testers. The Noyafa NF-8508 network cable tester is a versatile and reliable tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Featuring advanced digital, analog, and PoE modes, it offers high sensitivity and minimal interference, making cable tracing precise and hassle-free. Its multifunctionality is impressive, with 9 key features including continuity testing, cable scanning, length measurement, PoE testing, optical power meter, VFL, and more. The tester automatically detects port speed, maps cable polarity, and can handle PoE voltages up to 60 VDC, supporting 10M divided by 100M divided by 1000M networks. With a 200M cable length testing range and compatibility with network, phone, and BNC cables, it covers almost any scenario. The built-in 1500 mAh lithium battery delivers up to 10 hours of operation, and Type-C charging adds convenience. A handy flashlight makes it easy to work in low-light environments, making the NF-8508 a truly professional and practical network testing solution. Our third product is Petechtool Cable Testers. This LAN cable tester is a practical and efficient tool for both professionals and home users. It supports testing of RJ11 telephone cables and RJ45 network cables, including Cat5, Cat6, and Cat7. Equipped with a high-performance chip, it delivers fast and accurate results, helping ensure that your networking is running smoothly. The tester verifies cable connections, showing whether wires are correctly paired and connected. Its clear LED display makes reading results simple and intuitive, even for users without technical expertise. Compact and user-friendly, it's ideal for troubleshooting or setting up new networks. Note that it requires a 9-volt battery, which is not included. Customer support is reliable, with assistance available if any issues arise, making this LAN cable tester a dependable choice for maintaining and testing your network connections. Now number 4, Kolsol Cable Testers. The NF-8508 is a powerful 4-in-1 multifunction network tool, combining a LAN cable tester, OPM, VFL, and NCV detector in a single device. It's perfect for both professionals and home users, allowing you to find and fix network issues without extra calls or costs. The tester accurately handles Cat5 and Cat6 cables, performing PoE tests, length measurements, wire locating, and fault detection. Its optical power meter supports 7 standard wavelengths, 850/1300/1490/1550/1625/1650 nm, with a power detection range of -70 to +10 dBm, while the visual fault locator provides fast and slow flashing modes with high precision. Additional features like non-contact voltage detection, a built-in LED light, and a 1500 mAh rechargeable lithium battery make it versatile for various environments. Compact, efficient, and easy to use, the NF-8508 is a must-have tool for anyone maintaining or troubleshooting networks. And our last choice is Fluke Networks Cable Testers. This advanced network tester is designed for professional-grade cable performance analysis, supporting testing up to 10 base T with frequency-based measurements. It offers comprehensive network diagnostics, including IPv4 and IPv6 ping tests, nearest switch identification with IP address, name, port/VLAN number, and advertised data rates. The Ethernet Alliance certified PO verification detects PO class 1 to 8, measures available power, and even performs a load test to ensure your devices receive adequate power. It accurately displays cable length, wire mapping, and the distance to any open or short circuits, making troubleshooting fast and precise. Results can be easily managed and reports generated via Linkware PC software. Additionally, the included IntelliTone probe simplifies locating cables within complex setups. Compact, reliable, and feature-rich, this tester is ideal for IT professionals, network engineers, and anyone needing precise, efficient network performance diagnostics. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.